Take the massage chair out of the box. Remove the footrest and place it on the floor. Take out all the accessories from the accessory box. Connect the power and turn on the power switch to reset the chair. Connect the air pipe and power cord of the footrest to the host. Remove the nut. And slide the support holes on the right side into the iron rod of the chair. Slide the support hole on the left side into the iron rod of the chair and install the nut. And fasten the hook and loop strip on the leather strap. Then flip the strap up and attach it to the cushion. Peel off the hook and loop fasteners on both sides of the seat cushion. Connect the power cable, air pipe and install the seat cushion. Flip the headrest and seat cushion down to fix it in place. Align the gap of the hole position to insert the screen holder and rotate it to secure it firmly. Place the LCD display screen into the holder. Ready to use.